Hello! In this video, I will show you how to invite learners to a team. You can invite a learner either from Manage Learners page or from the settings of a specific team. First, let's look at the first method. Go to the Manage Learners and Teams section and click Invite Learners. Then enter a learner's email and add first name, last name, and choose a team where you can add a learner. If you would like to send an email invitation, please check the box near the option. If you need to invite multiple learners at once, you can use the import option. Upload a list of learners in CSV format, choose a team, option enables the send email invitation, and click Invite. After that, the learners will be successfully invited to the team. Now, let's look at the second method through the team's settings. Go to the Teams tab. Here, you will see the list of all created teams. Open the required team where you want to add a learner. Then, click Invite to Team. In the invitation form, add learner's email, and optional you can add first name and last name. If you want to send them an email invitation, enable the Send Invitation Email option. Just like before, you can invite multiple learners at once by uploading a list in CSV format. After filling in all the required information, click Invite and the learners will be invited to the team. If the learner is already registered in your academy, the process is even simpler. Click Add Learners and select the required learners in the list. After that, click Add. The selected learners will be added to the team and will automatically receive access to the assigned courses. I hope this helps and good luck with your academy!